Ang daming mga negosyante na talagang hirap sila mag-manage ng tao, hirap sila sa process ng business nila. Everything around us is all systems.
Mhm.
And if I create a process and a system around it,
Oo.
nasosolve kasi siya.
Mhm.
When we started, ito, wala kaming pinuhunan.
Knowledge and skills talaga.
Every time there is a challenge, it is always an opportunity for you to be better.
For every problem, merong process, merong system, whether sa business yan or sa personal life natin. Okay, Miss M, kumusta?
Better than good.
Yes. No, so, background for our viewers, please introduce yourself, your name, your business. Sige po.
My name is Emerald Bihag. You can call me M, and I'm the Vice President and co-founder of SBC Simplified Systems. And SBC is a UAE headquartered business. And ang operating center namin, of course, is nandito sa Pilipinas kasi
Okay.
we want to really employ developers, no, ng mga Pinoy kasi sila talaga yung magagaling.
SBC means?
Simplified Bihag Cabrera, which is kaming magkasawa. Yes.
Okay. Hindi Starbucks.
Hindi naman.
Yung pala ibig sabihin. Okay, so before tayo umabot sa details ng SBC and ano yung mga ino-offer niya ngayon, balikan naman natin before SBC. Ano yung background mo and paano ka napunta sa ganitong klaseng business?
Actually, when I was an employee before, for 10 years, ang trabaho ko talaga, I started in the BPO industry, and then unti-unti, alam mo naman tayo nag-explore. So, I went in different departments until dumating sa point na I was already creating processes for these departments. So, ang nangyari, process improvement, process creation, mga process flow, documentation, and all of those, yun na yung ginagawa ko for businesses and also international businesses as well. So, when came a time na I had a business, I actually own Camp Laia Beach Resort as well.
Camp Laia.
Beach Resort,
Okay.
yes. So, si Camp Laia, when we acquired that, ang nangyari was, nung minanage ko siya, I used my skills nung ako'y
BPO.
empleyado pa, yes. And at first, it was very difficult. Syempre, kapag ikaw naman nag-uumpisa magnegosyo, talagang mahirap, trial and error and all that. Pero since I had the experience, nagawan ko siya ng magandang process. And in a short period of time, kaya ko na siyang iwan.
Wow.
And because of that, I started, meeting different business owners, and then nakita ko na ang daming nahihirapan. Ang daming mga negosyante na talagang hirap sila mag-manage ng tao, hirap sila sa process ng business nila, and hindi nila nakikita what the real problem is. So, dun nag-spark sa akin na, wait lang, meron akong experience Bakit hindi ako mag-offer ng ganitong services? Since ang nararamdaman ko at that time, naalala ko pa, is yung dahil nagmamanage ako ng resort, sabi ko, bakit ganito na lang ba talaga? Parang yung purpose ko, hinahanap ko, hindi ko siya mahanap doon sa pagmamanage ng resort. That's why I started offering yung services ko when it comes to process creation, mga documentation, SOPs, mga ganyan. And then, yung asawa ko kasi, he is a principal software engineer. So, for more than 20 years now. And ang nakita namin, sabi ko, sige, nagdo-document ako. Pero ang mundo kasi, going to technology na kasi talaga yan. And he wanted to start his own tech company.
Okay.
So, nung nag-usap kami, sabi ko, instead of having different businesses, why not we combine both our skills, yung skills ko in creating process, ng mga businesses, different departments, and yung skill niya when it comes to technology. So, we combined both our skills, and yun, doon nabuo si SBC.
Wow.
Simplified yung name because we wanted to really simplify yung process for business owners.
Grabe, ang dami na agad na information na napak doon. No? Pero hima-himayin natin isa-isa.
Yeah.
So, yung curious lang ako, nung nasa BPO ka, BPO di ba yun yung mga call center
Yes,
before
yes,
nung time na
yes.
yon? Nung pumasok ka sa BPO, ano yung role mo?
When I started, syempre agent. I
Okay.
started as
Yung
an
calls, 'di
agent.
ba?
Yes,
Okay.
nagko-calls ako. Pero it only lasted for like 4 months. And then,
Okay.
na-promote na ako into team leader.
Okay.
Siguro medyo competitive kasi
Oo,
tayo, no?
oo.
So, team leader because I was a top agent back then. And then, nung naging team leader ako, top team naman yung team
Wow,
ko. Kaya
okay.
ang bilis.
Uh-huh.
And then, naging assistant operations manager na ako.
Uh-huh.
Hanggang, yun na, nung nakita nila yung skills ko, naggrabe ako gumawa ng process. Because I discovered that kapag meron akong challenges na na-experience, no, if I create a process and a system
Oo.
around it,
Oo.
nasosolve kasi siya.
Mhm.
So that's why, parang siguro, naging systematic na rin talaga yung pag-iisip ko. That's
Mhm.
why, whenever may problema, yun kaagad ang solusyon. Imbis na magreklamo ka,
Oo.
what's the solution?
Create a
What's the
process.
system around this? Yes,
Oo.
di ba? So, nung nakita ng mga boss ko na, may talent pala to sa paggawa ng process, yun na, doon nag-start talaga lahat ng department, unti-unti. Nagsimula ako sa operations, and then quality. So, may quality control and quality assurance, training.
Uh-huh.
Gumagawa din ako mga training module. Dumating
Oo.
ako sa point na yon. And then, pinahawak na rin ako ng HR, procurement, hanggang facilities.
Okay, wait.
So, pati
Oo.
janitor, as in lahat ng mga
Lahat na
departments,
may
naikot
process.
ko siya. Naikot ko
Yung
talaga.
question ko, kasi from agent to
Di
process-based,
ba?
ang laking jump nun eh.
Yes.
Ano yung nangyari in between? Paano mo na-discover yung pag-create ng mga process?
Siguro kasi whenever ang nakita ko kasi, no, naging madali yung pagmamanage sa mga tao because meron silang sinusunod.
Ah.
Nagkakaroon lang sila ng confusion if wala silang sinusunod, walang basis.
Mhm.
So, kailangan mo mag-create ng something na
Mhm.
susundin nila,
Yung
right?
parang step by step.
Yes, step
Kumbaga
by
sa
step.
pagluluto yung recipe, parang
Yes.
ganon.
And I think ang pinaka nakatulong sa akin, like as an agent, kasi meron tayong call flow na
Yes,
tinatawag,
oo.
'di ba? Yun pa lang sistema na
Sistema
yun,
na
'di
yun,
ba?
correct.
So kapag sinunod mo yun, for sure okay yung magiging customer mo.
Uh-huh.
So parang doon ko siya na-realize na everything around us is all systems.
Mhm.
And even sa bahay.
Mhm.
Pag nasa bahay tayo, pag nagluluto tayo, meron din tayong sistemang
Oo.
sinusunod, 'di ba?
Oo.
Pati pagpapakain nga ng aso ko, meron akong
Oo.
sinusunod na step
Uh-huh.
by step kasi it makes it easy for
Mhm.
us na hindi tayo laging nagdedesisyon kasi nagiging routine na rin siya. So
Mhm.
mas madali, mas
Correct.
hindi stressful.
Wow, grabe. Ang daming learnings. Kailangan mo ng process, ang systems, and yung mga process and systems na yun can solve talaga problems.
Yeah,
At lahat
even
naman
in
tayo.
life.
Oo,
Even in
even
life.
in life, di ba?
Yeah.
Kailangan yun. So, naisip nyo yung i-combine yung pagiging software engineer ni husband and yung
Yes.
pagiging process-driven mo talaga. Paano nyo naman sinimulan yung SBC? At may mga challenges ba kayong nangyari nung simula?
Yes, madami. Pero when we started, ito, wala kaming pinuhunan when we
Okay.
started. Kasi nga, more of,
Service-based siya eh.
service-based
Uh-huh.
siya. As long as may laptop ka, di ba?
Oo.
Siguro yun na yung pinakapuhunan
Yeah.
namin is may laptop kami. And then, kakausap kami sa client. When we closed our first deal, no,
Oo.
ng customized digital system for the business,
Mhm.
franchising to.
Mhm.
Now with 400 branches, by the way.
Wow.
And up to now talaga system pa rin namin yung ginagamit nila.
Mhm.
When we started, nung siya yung unang-unang taong nagtiwala sa amin, ang ginawa namin yung down payment niya, yun na yung pinuhunan namin. So we started
Hmm.
to get our office and then
Mhm.
yung mga unang tao namin. Kasi
Mhm.
when we started, kaming dalawa lang
Oo,
'di ba?
oo.
Yung unang coding, yung
Siya.
asawa ko yung gumagawa. Pero
Oo.
nakita namin medyo malaki 'to, hindi
Oo.
natin kakayanin na tayong dalawa lang. So, yun na yun, dun siya nag-start. So, ang unang
Hmm.
puhunan namin is yung down payment ng client namin.
Galing. And yun nga 'no, sa ibang mga nag-i-start sa business, ang problema nila yung kapital
Yeah.
sa business. Pero ang maganda nga kapag service-based, puwedeng wala muna, 'di ba?
Knowledge and skills
Knowledge
lang.
and skills talaga. And yung knowledge and skills na yun galing doon sa experience mo sa
Yes.
BPO industry pa lang.
Yes.
'Di ba? At yun yung dapat na kinukuha natin while we are employed. Habang wala pa tayong business, nag-iisip pa lang tayo mag-business, employed tayo, is get all the knowledge and skills habang employed ka. Kasi
Yes.
magagamit mo yun kapag nagtayo ka na
Totoo.
ng sarili mong business,
Yung
'di ba?
iba iniisip na exploit sila. Pero in
Oo.
reality, ang dami mong
Opportunity yun,
Yes,
correct.
opportunity yun.
Opportunity yun,
Yes.
yes, 'no? And sa isang business, ang number one challenge lagi, lalo kapag nag-uumpisa, is getting the first client.
Yes.
So, dito sa client mo, yung first client mo na nag-down payment, na naging talagang spark nung paglaki ng business, paano mo nakuha yun?
Actually, it's all about connection eh.
Okay.
So I was able to create relationship no with different business owners, and since maganda yung naririnig nila and maganda naman yung pakikitungo sa kanila, ay wala talaga akong mga naging issues,
Mm.
wala kayong mga alam mo yun, yung mga maririnig-rinig mo na kung ano-ano about the
Oo.
person. So, I was able to build a very good relationship with the people around me,
Mhm.
and talagang importante diyan kasi integridad eh.
Mhm.
'Di ba? As long as they see na maayos kang kausap, may isang salita ka and
Yeah.
all, they recommend you.
Mhm.
So, kahit yung tao na, kita siyempre bago lang kami 'di ba, anong wala
Oo.
pa kaming kumbaga
Portfolio, wala pa,
portfolio,
oo.
wala kaming mapakita. Ang basis lang talaga is the experiences in the past kasi software engineer yung asawa
Oo.
ko ta's ako yung sa processes and yung ugali namin, 'di
Oo,
ba?
correct,
More
correct,
of
oo.
that. And feeling ko yun talaga yung very important eh, kapag nagsisimula ka eh, kahit wala ka pang sabihin natin yung talagang credibility,
Mhm.
as long as they can see na totoong tao ka,
Mhm.
and kapag nag-provide ka ng service, hindi mo sila iiwan sa ere.
Correct.
Dapat, yes, maraming ups and downs yan kasi siyempre nag-uumpisa ka pa
Oo.
lang, ngayon ka palang makaka-discover na, ay mali, ay
Oo.
ganito, ay yung pricing namin mali pala, yung mga ganyan,
Oo,
marami
oo.
kaming ganyan na nagsa-start
Okey.
kami, and marami kang hindi mo na-foresee, 'di
Mhm.
ba, na mga circumstances na
Mhm.
mangyayari. Pero hindi mo sila iniwan, nandun
Mhm.
ka pa rin, hindi ka
Mhm.
nagtago,
Yeah,
'di ba? Kasi you have to face it, kasi ganun talaga in business eh.
correct.
There are ups and downs, sometimes nagkakamali talaga tayo. Actually, many times,
Oo,
nagkakamali talaga tayo. Ang importante is hinaharap natin siya.
correct.
And nakikita nila na we're doing something about it. We are trying to improve every day. Na
Mhm.
yung feedback na mabigay sa atin is ginagawa natin ng paraan.
Mhm.
Mas pinapaganda pa natin.
Correct. You show up, 'di
Yes,
ba?
you show
Na
up.
sa business talaga may mga problems na mangyayari, may mga challenges, may mga
Yes,
crisis na
hindi natin
mangyayari.
maiiwasan
Hindi
talaga.
talaga maiiwasan 'yon.
Yes.
May mga unexpected bugs, lalo kapag mga systems,
Yes, tech yan
unexpected
eh.
downtime, 'di ba?
Correct.
Ang importante is constant yung communication with the
Totoo.
customer. Hindi na yung hindi mo sila, bahala po kayo, down lahat eh. Parang
Iiwan mo sa ere,
'di ba?
ganun.
Hindi
Yes.
puwedeng gano'n, 'di ba? So, whether normal operation or in crisis, dapat hawak kamay with the customer
Yes.
talaga. 'Yun yung
Minsan nga sila
importante.
na yung nangangayaw sa'min eh. Kami na yung makulit, kami na
Oo,
yung
sa
makulit
pag-a-update sa
talaga, oo,
kanila.
yes.
Okey, okey.
Mas maganda na yun, na
Mhm,
ikaw yung makulit
mhm.
kaysa naman ma-feel ng client or ng customer na parang iniwan mo
Oo,
sila, 'di
oo.
ba?
Yung next na challenge, so may nakuha ka ng customer, 'di ba? And then napansin mo na hindi kayang kayong dalawa lang. So you needed
Yeah.
to get more people.
Yes.
Yung next challenge sa isang business is getting the right people.
Yes.
So paano mo ginawa 'yun?
Yun. I think because I had experiences in the past
Yung
nga
sa
'no, sa ano
BPO?
ko,
Okey.
sa work ko before,
Mm.
ang unang-una kong ginawa when we started yung mag-ha-hire na kami ng tao, was my HR process. So, I created yun ang una kong ginawa, and I
Mhm.
feel na medyo forte ko din kasi siya, eh.
Okey.
So, I created my HR process, I created my own handbook. So, meron na akong company handbook, ta's nakakatawa pa dun kasi apat lang yung tao namin, yung handbook ko napaka-ano,
Kapal.
napakalawak. Eh, kasi tech, eh.
Oo,
Kasi so,
oo.
inisip ko, sige kahit konti kami ngayon, 'pag dumami kami, ito na
Same
rin.
pa rin,
At least hindi
oo.
ko na siya kailangan i-revise, hindi ko na
Oo.
kailangan baguhin. And up to now, it's still the same handbook na
Oo.
na-cover kasi din lahat talaga ng bases. So,
Wow.
because of that, it became not really so easy, pero
Uh-huh.
hindi siya kasing challenging
Oo.
na mag-hire ng tao kasi alam ko na yung process, like the recruitment
Hmm.
process, dahil na-experience ko siya in the
Mhm.
past, eh, i-interview din ako when I was
Mhm.
in the BPO industry.
Hmm.
So, alam ko yung process on how do you screen
Mhm.
applicants, how do you interview, how do you create exams, yung
Oo.
mga ganon. So, in-apply ko siya lahat talaga sa SBC.
Wow! So, mas madali nangyari.
Mas naging madali. Although,
Oo.
syempre, hindi natin maiiwasan, may challenges pa rin yan.
Oo.
Pero hindi na ganun kahirap.
Okey, galing, And ano pa yung mga naging challenges niyo sa business, sa pagpapatakbo ng business?
Siguro ang pinaka-challenging dahil nga magaling ako sa process, asawa ko magaling sa tech.
Oo.
Paano naman yung marketing and sales, 'di ba?
Ah.
Doon
Kasi
kami
parang another
yeah.
discipline yun, eh. Hindi siya
Yes.
process, hindi siya coding or
It's a
oo,
different
correct,
world
correct,
eh.
correct, correct.
Marketing and sales is a different
Oo,
world. Eh, hindi
oo.
naman kami nagbebenta in the past,
Yeah.
right? Although, meron kaming mga businesses before, nung nasa BPO kami, nagbebenta ako ng damit,
Oo. On the
embutido, mga
side.
ganyan,
Oo.
on the side.
Oo.
Nagbebenta kami mga pabango,
Yeah.
ganyan, nagbebenta kami niyan. Pero hindi kasi siya yung, alam mo yon, ino-offer mo lang naman sa mga
Oo.
empleyado eh.
Kakilala mo.
Yes,
Oo.
kakilala na. Unlike this one,
Oo.
you really have to build your credibility.
Yeah.
Paano mo siya ima-market? Paano yun? Magvi-video ka? Yung
Oo.
mga ganon. So, yun yung ibang world naman na we
Oo.
had to really explore
Oo.
by really talking to experts, knowing people na magagaling sa marketing, talagang attending seminars, attending iba't
Mm.
ibang mga courses on sales and marketing para talagang maintindihan namin how we're gonna do it and how are
Mhm.
we gonna position SBC, no?
Mhm.
Especially ngayon na growing and tech company siya. We want to be the leading tech company in the Philippines
Mhm.
and globally because we're global already.
Yeah.
So, paano yun, 'di ba? Yung mga
Oo.
branding, yun yung mga talagang naging challenge sa amin.
Wow, grabe. So, sa lahat ng mga yan, ano yung masasabi mong naging breakthrough ng company?
Siguro madami. Kasi
Mhm.
kapag sa isang company, sa sobrang dami mong challenges, ang importante lang talaga how you handle it.
Aha.
And I learned throughout the years na every time there is a challenge, it is always an opportunity for you to be better.
Mhm.
Parang na-excite na nga ako eh. Pag may
Oo.
challenges, mas na-excite na kami kasi alam namin na there is room for growth.
Mhm.
Kasi pag wala ka ng challenge, lahat nagagawa mo, paano na
Opo.
wala ka ng growth, 'di
Correct.
ba? So that's why whenever merong ganun, tinitake note namin 'yon.
Mhm.
So bakit natin 'to na-experience?
Mhm.
So hinahanap namin, niro-root cause analysis namin siya. And I think ang isa ring magandang nakatulong sa amin is because nag-immerse din kami sa personal development and
Mhm.
self-development na kailangan kami as the founders, we should evolve as well.
Mhm.
Kasi kung kami, hindi kami mag-e-evolve, paano mag-e-evolve yung
Correct.
business namin and yung mga
Oo.
tao din namin,
Yes.
plus the culture as well.
Kasi mag-e-echo yan pababa eh.
Yes,
Oo. So,
kung
kailangan maayos ka sa taas para
yes.
yung may echo mo rin, mare-replicate is maayos din.
And ako naniniwala kasi ako kung hanggang saan lang ang kaya ng founder, hanggang dun lang din yung kaya
Yes.
ng business.
Correct,
So,
correct.
if you feel na parang nagiging bottleneck ka na or parang may ceiling,
Oo.
parang nasa ceiling ka na, ibig sabihin, it's time to evolve. Meron na namang panibago yan na
Mhm.
ipapakita sa'yo para mag-level up.
Correct. Galing. Grabe, ang dami kong mga learnings sa discussions natin today. No, yung mga takeaways ko, one is for every problem, merong process
Yes.
na pwedeng mag-solve sa kanya.
Yes.
Merong process, merong system, whether sa business yan or sa personal life natin. Merong process na kailangan lang nating alamin, kailangan nating gawin or i-document. No? And very important, yung pagdo-document talaga.
Yes.
Whether nag-start ka ng maliit,
Mhm.
kasi pag lumaki yung business mo, the same document, magagamit mo pa rin. No?
Yes.
Yung manual na nasabi mo nga.
Yes.
And in every business, hindi mo talaga ma-foresee lahat ng mga scenarios. Laging merong problemang lalabas.
Yes.
May mga challenges, may crisis. Ang importante is paano mo hinahandle yung challenge na yon or yung crisis na yon. And sa pagsisimula ng negosyo, very important yung connections. Yung network, di ba? Yung mga kakilala natin. And yung reputation natin din dun sa network na yon.
Yes.
Na kailangan may integrity tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Na we deliver on what we promised. No? And continuously learn. Kung meron kang hindi alam, like yung sabi mga marketing and sales, no? Try to go to seminars, trainings, 'di ba? Doon sa marunong para alam mo rin how to do it, no?
Yeah.
Wag yung mag-stop ka na lang dahil hindi mo alam, 'di ba?
Correct.
Parang ganon. And yung pinakamagandang learning, no, na mention mo is every challenge actually opens an opportunity. No, it's an opportunity to be better and it's room for growth.
Yes.
Yes, and lahat naman tayo
Always.
gustong mag-grow
Yeah.
personally and sa business natin.
Yes.
Galing. So, meron ka bang gustong i-share din sa ating audience or i-promote sa ating audience?
Yes. Actually, SBC created a system
Mhm.
for service-based businesses. And dahil napansin namin na yung mga service-based businesses, parang sila yung medyo napagkakaitan ng digital apps or
Okay.
or business management system na pwede nilang magamit to make running a business a little bit easier.
Anong
No?
example ng mga service-based business na
Like
target?
for example, salon, car
Okay.
wash, yan, yung mga
Ah,
grooming centers,
okay.
yung mga ganyan. Actually, digital marketing pwede
Aha.
din siya. And
Okay.
we also have project management na rin kasi.
Okay.
So, this is called Opsified.
Okay.
So, Opsified means Business Operations Simplified. So, yun yung ibig
Mm.
sabihin ng Opsified. And what we created there was a bit different, no, sa kung saan tayo sanay. Kasi
Mhm.
usually, ang isang business is using 7 to 10 apps
Oo.
to run a business.
Yeah.
They use different Excel or Google Sheets,
Oo.
and then they also use iba-ibang tools. May CRM, may
Oo.
pang-inventory, may sales, 'di ba? May finance, may HR. Hilong-hilo na sila. So,
Naka-silo pa yan, hindi pa yan
yes,
connected. Oo.
correct. So, kailangan i-update mo 'to, tapos
Oo.
update mo rin 'tong isa.
Correct.
So, if nakalimutan nilang i-update yung kabila, sayang, wala na
Yes.
yung data nila,
Correct,
hindi na
correct.
siya accurate. So, what we created, yung Opsified is it's an all-in-one tool na
Mhm.
nandun na siya lahat. So, we have
Hmm.
tracking of sales, tracking of expenses, pati commissions nandun na. And then, meron ding appointment setting. So, yung services mo, makikita mo doon, including
Hmm.
products.
Mhm.
Kasi yun yung madalas. Yung mga service-based businesses, may products naman talaga sila.
Okay.
Pero hindi nila natatrack. Yung
Ah.
inventory, for example,
Yung supplies,
salons.
no? Oo.
Yung salon, yung shampoo,
Shampoo, correct.
natatrack pa ba nila yun?
Oo.
Wala na, 'di ba?
Oo.
So, gaano ba talaga kadami yung nagagamit
Yeah.
kada isang haircut, yung
Oo.
mga ganyan. So, na-build namin siya
Aha.
na nag-auto-deduct pa, pati yung mga inventory na yon.
Okay.
And then, meron din siyang HR,
Mhm.
which is, yan yung masakit sa ulo sa lahat, managing your employees.
Aha.
Kasi may scheduling yan, 'di ba? And also, syempre, yung paano yung log-in, log-out niya.
Oo.
So, we already integrated the attendance with facial recognition
Oh, wow.
na nag-auto-compute ng
Aha.
payroll, and
Mhm.
then yung payslip, automatic na siyang nakikreate.
Galing.
Ganun na rin. May leave
Oo.
management, overtime. Lahat ng kailangan ng isang small business, actually, nandun na siya.
Okay.
So, meron din siyang CRM. It
Mhm.
includes client history, client profile,
Mhm.
para nakikita mo yung transactions and previous transactions ni client.
Mhm.
Meron ding, kasi 'di ba may mga businesses na nagsasign ng mga forms,
Oo.
nandun na rin.
Wow.
And then, si client, they can also have their own login para doon na rin sila magsaset ng
Oo.
appointment with that business. So, yun yung mga features natin. And ang latest naming in-add, which is ang dami kasing nag-request, is the project management. So, they can create quotation. Yan.
Okay.
So, quotation, tapos natatrack na nila yung timeline ng
Mhm.
project. So,
Hmm.
pati yung mga installment payments, nandun na
Mhm.
rin. So, very, siya actually, comprehensive. And
Oo.
sobrang, niya lahat ng kailangan mo, not 100% kasi
Oo.
wala pang ganon. So, nasa around 70%
Yes.
of the processes in the business, it's already inside
Automated
Opsified.
na. Galing.
Yes.
So, sa mga interested sa Opsified, how do they avail of this or get information?
They can go to opsified.biz
Mhm.
to know more, and they can also contact us. Just message us at inquiries@opsified.biz.
Wow. Galing. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.